Now I'm going to show you how to do the Pythagorean theorem and basically what it is. So what the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And this is a formula only used to find a side or like a leg or a hypotenuse of a right triangle. Right triangles only. So this would be A, this would be B, or these two are interchangeable, so it doesn't matter what you should plug it in for, but this is C, the hypotenuse. So say we have a right triangle with the legs of 7 and 2. You plug it in, and what did I just say? You plug it in, and you get 7 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. So 7 squared is 49, 2 squared is 4, and you leave it with c squared. And then 49 plus 4 is 53. So then you do the square root of 53 and the square root of c squared, and you get c is about 7. And not only is it for the hypotenuse, but it can also be used in this way. So say we have a right triangle with a hypotenuse of 10 and one leg is 5. You do a squared, because you don't know what a is, plus 5 squared equals 10 squared. And you get a squared plus 25 equals 100. And you subtract 25 on both sides because you want to get a squared alone, kind of like, algebra. And you get 75 equals a squared. You square root it, and you get a is about 9. So, yeah, this side would be about 9, this side would be about 7. And that's your Pythagorean theorem. Step 1 is to draw a right angle as best as you can. And the two legs of your triangle are going to be the same size. They must be the same. I did 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Now you need to find out the length of your hypotenuse. To do that, you do a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and you just plug in the numbers. So after you do 2 squared plus 2 squared, you get 3, well, about 3 as the length of your hypotenuse. So that is going to be the length of your hypotenuse. Once you measure it out, it should be the same. Next, you have to repeat the process, and you're going to make the next triangle. To do that, you add another leg of 2 centimeters, and 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters become your new legs. Now you do 2 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared, and find out what your next hypotenuse length is going to be. Now that you've done that, I got about 3.5 for mine. So once you measure it out, it should come out to be 3.5 centimeters on your ruler. And after, you just keep on going. Don't stop. Just keep on adding those triangles, making sure you're getting all your measurements right, and it should come out to be a really cool spiral. Now, important things to remember is that the first legs must always be the same. You can't do like one leg is 2 and one leg is 3. No. You got to do both legs the same, like 2 and 2 or 5 and 5. And another important thing is that the outside legs are always going to be the same number. Like I started with 2, so the next leg on the outside is going to be 2, and it's just going to keep being 2.